Safety stickers is the need of the hour. It plays an unavoidable part of our daily lives. Whether it is for safety measures, precautions, advices, or requests, be it anything which you want to convey it with stickers. In this video, we will show you how to print and cut safety stickers. But before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. How to print them on pre-cut label rolls? Well, it's very easy. Choose OKI PRO 1040. Select your adhesive label roll and print your personalized design with OKI PRO 1040. You can make unlimited label rolls in no time. It gives you media flexibility and can print on clear labels also. OKI PRO 1040 can print in CMYK. If you wish to print with white, choose OKI PRO 1050 which can print in CMYK plus white toner. Just print and stick on your products, walls, glass doors, machines, anywhere. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.